This video demonstrates proper user account administration for the EDGE Estimator. At every company, there is at least one person who is designated to be the administrator of the users for that company. That administrator will be responsible for adding new users and editing existing users. For the protection of your company's proprietary information, the estimating EDGE itself will not be responsible for administration of the users. If an estimator has left your company and all of their bids are checked in before they left, then all is good with those bids. You can simply check those bids out on your computer, logged in as yourself, and work with those bids just fine. But if that estimator that left has a bid or some bids that aren't checked in before they left, then optimally, the best way to work with that bid is to log in as that estimator using their login credentials. When you're logged in as that estimator, you'll be able to check the bids in. Now, one person is designated as the administrator at each company, so that person will come to the administration portal and they will click Admin and go to the Users Manager. The first thing that administrator is going to want to do is to edit the user who left. To edit, we click this three-dotted button. The first thing you're going to want to do is change their password. Change it to a word that they wouldn't be able to guess, and now they won't be able to log into the EDGE to work with any bids. It's probably a good idea not to just delete that user, because you might want to log in as that user to check their bids in. Furthermore, you now know their login information, so you can log off as yourself and log in as them. Now, if you need to add a new user, you'll simply come up here to the Add User button. You'll fill out their name, and give them a proper email address. You'll need to turn on the Estimator button and give them the default location. Give them a password. And you can force them to change their password by leaving it on Require a New Password, or you can simply make this password active if you'd like to. The other fields here are optional, but you do need to come to Security and give them at least a client role so that they can use the EDGE itself. They don't need to have a portal role, but you can give them a portal role. And just click Add, and you have just added a new user. They will be able to log in and use the EDGE. Thank you for watching.